I really wanted you to hear from Brooke.
Hello, my name is Brooke. I signed up for Ken Van Loo's real estate training program a little over a year ago. And within 6 months, I was already buying my first investment property. Ken had began the training by encouraging me to get my life in order in different categories such as health and relationships and time management and money management and spirituality. And I really took it to heart, and I really developed myself and educated myself a lot in real estate. I bought his book. I love his book. And I love the one-on-one training that he gave me that encouraged me to get started. So I bought my first property. I wholesaled it. Shortly after that, I found another investment property that I wholesaled. And then recently, I bought my first long-term hold in my hometown, and that's going great. And actually, tomorrow I'm closing on my second long-term hold. And I would like to make a shout out to Ken for getting me started and encouraging me to start and take that leap of faith. And I just want to say thank you so much for getting me started. And I really encourage a lot of people of different levels to take on his mentorship program, because I think he can help everybody.